In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Auto Verify in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. This is a quick setting that can help Edge handle verification prompts more smoothly, and it only takes a moment to turn on. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. From there, select Settings. This is where all of Edge's browser controls and privacy options are located. After the Settings page opens, look at the left-hand menu and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section controls a lot of the browser's security, tracking, and site-related features, so this is the right place to find the option we need. Now scroll through the page until you find Site Permissions. Click that to open the permissions area for websites. Inside Site Permissions, look for All Permissions. This section shows you a full list of the permissions Microsoft Edge can manage for websites. Scroll through the list until you locate Auto Verify. When you find it, click on it to open the setting. On the Auto Verify page, you'll see a toggle switch. All you need to do is turn it on. Once the switch is enabled, Auto Verify will be active in Microsoft Edge. That's it. The setting is now turned on and you're ready to use it. If you ever want to check it again later, just follow the same path. Settings, Privacy, Search and Services, Site Permissions, All Permissions, and Auto Verify. If this video helped you out, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.